Well, I wake up every morning just about the time the alarm clock comes unwound. Gotta check the eggs and bacon, then chug-a-lug a cup of coffee down. A United Auto Worker, you know I've got to be down there on time. At 6:30 every morning we start bucking that Ford assembly line. With those impact wrenches screaming, makes me wonder if I'm numb to half alive. That loudspeaker keeps a blaring, this time the man's a calling 555. They're calling for a breakdown, and you better hope they get down there on time. 'Cause there's chains and bolts and bearings that keep shutting down this Ford assembly line. And they say, get your operation, boy, don't you fall behind. Keep on bucking that Ford assembly line. That committee man is coming, you can see a mile away if you ain't blind. Got a big sign on his shirt that reads, UAW Local 249. If someone makes you unhappy, don't hesitate to call him anytime. The UAW wants you happy while you're bucking this Ford assembly line. They say everything about us, but it's building trucks and cars that we adore. An old boy from Pucky Huddle just ordered up a brand new 4x4. Now we'll have to meet the schedule or be walking out on Highway 69. Mr. Henry's better idea keeps us bucking this Ford assembly line. And he says, get your operation, boy, and don't you fall behind. Keep on bucking that Ford assembly line. Keep on bucking that Ford assembly line.